Welcome to Certified Junior Astronaut Training course. The title of this lecture is Components of the Space System, Part 1.
This lecture will answer the following inquiry. What are the components of satellite system?
Satellite system is composed of three major components as follows: space segment, ground segment, launcher. Space segment means everything working in space, which is represented by satellites, whether they are imaging, communication, or other types of satellites.
Ground segment refers to both receiving stations and control stations. Receiving stations receive images from imaging satellites or receive data and telephone calls from communication satellites, while control stations send control orders to satellites in order to direct them to the required imaging location and to perform orbit correction in case of satellite deviation.
The launcher refers to the space rocket used in launching the satellite in its orbit. This video shows a simulation for a launching process.
Nominal margin is only 7 foot per second on what we release.
Finally, we have reached the end of the lecture. Thanks for your undivided attention.